Please no alarm. Oh God. Oh God, I need at least 3 more hours of sleep. I really do. I screwed up. I should have booked this hotel room for 2 days, not 1 day, because I should have known I was going to need to sleep past, you know, the checkout time. But anyhow, she said she knows another hotel. Actually, this whole street is full of like little hotels like this, and just a little tiny private room, nothing fancy. That's all I really care about. So anyhow, she knows another one, or maybe she has another one. So I'm sitting here in my bed, and I really want coffee right now. First Vietnamese coffee. So I have to wait, like, am I going to be waiting like 3 days for this or what? I don't have 3 days. Good. Can I stir it? It's got a lid on it. Come on, drip. I don't have all day for this. Holy Christmas. That's very, very, very good and very, very rich. Rich and creamy and smooth. Very good. Within the first couple of days, it is a priority for me to get a vaporizer. I have 3 vaporizers that are dead, and so, you know, unfortunately that means I'm back smoking again, and so I really, really want to kick the habit. It's a horrible, horrible habit, and the only successful way that I've been able to get away from cigarettes was through vaping, and it's also it's a really convenient thing, because, you know, you just get off the bus or something and, you know, you're going into a place, you can just have a quick pull, whereas, you know, a cigarette is like you have to actually stand there and smoke for 10 minutes, you know what I mean? All right, so somewhere in this alley is the vape store, or one of the 4. Apparently this is the one that was the closest to my house, so let's see if we can find. And no surprise there, the guy's completely wrong, or else the business is gone. So I guess it's try to find the next one, or try to rent a motorcycle so I can frickin' drive around myself. All right, well that says the Vape Club, but I don't see any storefront, so what the hell? I'm gonna try to walk across the street. This is gonna be nuts. I think I'm not supposed to wait. I think I just have to just go. Just go. Wait for this car to go by first. Everybody honks here. They honk like every 15 seconds to warn people from behind. It's the weirdest thing. Okay, so what's this guy doing? Is he gonna pause, or is he just gonna keep going? All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Here we go. Here's a clearing. Here's a clearing. I'm stepping out onto the sidewalk. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die, please don't run over me, please don't run over me, please don't run over me. Success. Okay, let's see if we can find this place. And success, we're in business. Let's go take a look inside, see if there's anything that's good.
Wow, you could get serious contact high in this place. It is smoky. Smoky, smoky, smoky. And they have a huge assortment of not only vaporizer kits, but also a large assortment of vaporizer juice. Let's see what we've got.
Right now, there's all this crap on the news about, oh, you know, people dying from vaping and people, you know, their lungs collapsing and stuff like this. And I just think that's a bunch of crap. I really do. I think those people probably had some sort of, you know, medical condition or a susceptibility for that, genetic susceptibility for that. And maybe the vaping triggered it, who knows. But vaporizers are getting a lot of hate right now in the media because unfortunately children are taking up vaping because it's cool, and that's sad. But you know what? Children also take up smoking because it's cool. So, you know, really nothing's changed. And so, you know, it's too bad that these kids are getting a nicotine habit at a young age. You know, I started smoking in my late 20s, and I'm not proud of it at all. And it's one of those things that I absolutely hate about myself, and it messes with my self-esteem, and it makes me feel powerless about myself because I just can't seem to stop, no matter what. It really will be a priority to get a vape system, and they are abundant apparently in Vietnam, and you can buy the liquid at grocery stores, I guess. But the weird thing about vaping here in Thailand is that it's actually illegal. And the only reason why it's illegal is because of the tobacco companies. And, you know, they can't tax you for vaping. The reality is that bringing this vaporizer back into this country will be a little bit risky, and same with using it in this country. So you got to be kind of smart about it and make sure that, you know, you're kind of away from the anybody who could be a police officer. The way I see it, there's only 4 chemicals maximum when you're vaporizing. And when you're vaporizing, watch me vaporize. The problem is that in a package of cigarettes, there's at least 55 different chemicals, all of them designed to make you addicted. Nicotine itself is nowhere near as addictive as the formaldehyde and, I don't know, diesel. Do they put gasoline in these things? You know, like.
Yeah, so the problem with these, the vaporizers in that store is that they look like vaporizers. There's one that looks kind of cool because it looks like an old sort of Game Boy. And it looks cool because people just think it's a little game machine. But when I got the price of it, I was like, oh, damn, you know, like, why is this stuff so expensive? It's all made in China.
Yeah, so I don't know if I want the hassle of taking a taxi or whatever back to the apartment. I think I'm just going to walk it. I walked over here. I'll walk back, get some exercise. It's a distance though, you know, and it's not cold out. It's very humid compared to Chiang Mai, and it's very hot. And but I'm getting used to walking across crosswalks. And the thing is, you just don't worry about it. You just step out on the crosswalk and just keep going, and the cars go in front of you and they go behind you, and nobody honks at you, or you know, you don't hear brakes squealing. So it's like, all right, I think the time goes now, and then you just walk right across. I think I'm gonna just go sit in the hotel, edit video, and just kind of like chill.